That was cool. That was cute. It sounded like y'all was on a roller coaster that moved real slow. Okay, that was the teacups, you know, little yeah. We're gonna do that shit again. Are y'all ready for my boy Trae-D in the building? Yeah, we get opportunities like this every now and then. We're gonna do our shit.
It's very peaceful. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. And it's very soulful. Very soulful. Very soulful. Yeah, they got it, bro.
No background, that's in the question. It's hard that this shit wasted all this time that I'm investing. All the nights I be obsessing in the mirror, talking back on my reflection. Won't be cold, relating deeply to that old 3 adolescence. Life lessons we must learn to apply. For download, yeah, receive from them who sit in the sky. They ask me how I stay motivated. Don't do this just for me, but for my life. When the words do that for me, when don't nobody else apply. And you try after try, but you just couldn't get it right. Trust the God and keep the faith that everything gon' be alright. Out in New York, I took the train. Arrived from Houston on a flight. It turned 12, so it's fine. Let's ride by all the lights. Don't nobody see the shit that's in my sight, so they don't understand. Dealing with my pride, know that I can use a helping hand. They know me as Trae-D, but do they really know me as a man? Energy be drained, but still arrive and do the best I can.
Yeah, I hear my
that's what we come to do tonight, you heard me?
Come on, Trae.
Yeah. I say it's very peaceful, you heard me? And it's very soft. Try not to tell them about my dreams, they might interfere. How did Cali doing shows, how I made it here. From hard work and dedication, and always knowing what I can achieve. Stay focused on the team and look at everything that we accomplished. But I feel it's where we better get. Watch us turn upon the ones who was unshowing down in it. Throughout this journey, I done rose and I done fell. I be out and going through it, I smile so you can tell. If I was to quit right now, would it be labeled that I failed? No matter who I help, sharing my flow through all these sales. When the money hit me through the cash app or through the Zelle. Let me come through with the merch or try to catch a couple sales. Cause this shit ain't cheap, nigga. Half the time I really do be getting sleep, nigga. Plus I gotta deal with maintenance on my Jeep, nigga. And if I say I got you, word is what I keep, nigga. And I've been looking at it differently, just switching up my views. Nowadays I'd rather sweat with some sandals over shoes. Comfortability, nowadays tend to be what I say what you want, no longer stress about my ego getting bruised. I've been setting waves, hard to believe on somebody's stage. When they wake up in the morning, they hear me when they press play. That's why I sit it, I stay mindful of everything that I say. I speak positivity, give aspirations for the day. I've been tapping to my higher self, be searching for the guide me. Protected by some angels who ain't let the devil rob me. Other soul, my worth way more than gold. I know I tend to say this often, but really feel like I'm chose. Like a rap about a pole, don't do this around, do what I'm told. Speaking truth, when you rap the shit I rap, they say you bold. Trying to stay solid and never fold. Staying humble no matter how many times I hear it's cold. I'm the truth, nigga. I'm a giant in this game like they root, nigga. Up in that piece whenever I get in the booth, nigga. A leader and a role model to the youth, nigga. It's a loop, nigga. Yeah. What we doing, Houston? Make some noise in this motherfucker, man. If y'all came to have some fun, if y'all came to turn up with dear Silas, make some noise, man. Yeah. I'm big on energy, man. If y'all give me that energy, I'm gonna return that energy times 2. I'm up for holding this motherfucking stage. I'm a dog. Come on, Trae. Like they said, I'm about the name of Trae-D. This is my DJ Strong Mango. Yeah. I'm from New York, Louisiana, but Houston in the doctor me, you heard me? Yeah. How many people I got over here from the booth, man? Make some noise from the booth. Okay. I'm gonna for sure represent for y'all tonight, then. Yes, you heard me? Now I just got one question for y'all, Houston. Can I rap for y'all? Man, I don't like how that sounds. I'm gonna ask one more time. Can I rap for y'all? What you got for me, Mango?
Let's get into it, brother.
How many of y'all know AJ McQueen?
Talk your shit, Trae.
This is my song Viewers featuring AJ McQueen, you heard me? It's on my album, On My Journey. Cause I'm really on my journey with this shit, you feel me? Yeah. It's very peaceful. And it's very soulful. Yeah. Yeah. I'm connected to the practice for what my time be. Peace and trouble, what my mind be. Sometimes I sit and think about my time be. Sit in silence just to realign me. Used to be in DMs for hope that someone would sign me. Till I realize I don't need no one to co-sign me. At least be trying to find me. God been showing me the truth. But they feel his presence bouncing off me when I'm coming through. Many times I be confused. Oh, what I'm put here to do. Breaking down the matrix for my people who don't have a clue. Wake up, don't stay asleep. That decision really up to you. See the world different. Once you tap into the spiritual. Know that I can't save them all successful if I touch a fool. Knew I was the one right after I released 222. Yeah, you was from the other side. Well, I'm meant for greatness. After all the things that I survived. I done lost some niggas to the system. Some are homicides. Victim of the world has been designed to leave me traumatized. Yeah, views from the other side. No one meant for greatness after all the things that I survived. I done lost some niggas to the system, some of the homicides. Victim of a world that's been designed to leave me traumatized.
You rapping for him today, brother. I don't think you missed nothing yet.
Yeah, I need your help right here though. When I say very, y'all say peaceful. Very, very, peaceful. When I say very, y'all say soulful. Very, soulful. Very, soulful. Man, that's beautiful, man. I like to see all these kings and queens, all these guys and goddesses in the building. Yeah, let's get into some white shit. Yeah. I'm learning how to listen and not how to react. And when I face that adversity, I'm learning how to adapt. I'm getting love from different strangers cause they feel what I rap. Moving with love, living conscious, can't get caught in the trap. What made me up and under pressure with this shit. I get a rush whenever I write a new hit. Sometimes I be up in the dark and I just sit. Can't take a grave on how I could go hit a lick. The nigga wait, I won't have to go use a stick. And make the news, now they screenshotting my pic. Every day I'm faced with choices that determine all my moves. Prepare to face the obstacles that come with what I choose. Friday night pull up to rooms and feel the vibes. Hit up the end just to see if they tryna slide. Can't say that you failed if you never tried. Don't make you less of a man if you never cried. You gotta feel all your emotion and be thinking for yourself. Change up the way you think and put more focus on your health. Why would I top designer and my people I can help? Cause I know how hard it is when you black and trying to see wealth. Sometimes I lose myself trying to be perfect, not knowing I'm who I'm hurting. Scared to take a risk when they work, I don't know for certain. But the chances that I take, putting shit I create. My new album coming soon, I apologize for the way. Blessings coming in every way. Give thanks when we conversate. At times I do forget when so much be upon my plate. There's no excuse though. Forgive me if I take you for granted. Forgive me for the time shit happened and I didn't understand it. I'm in my own space. You was in my shoes, you were panic. Trying to do this shit all at once, but it worked best when you planned it. I'm in my own space. You was in my shoes, you were panic. Trying to do this shit all at once, but it worked best when you planned it. You understand it, my nigga? Yeah. I say when y'all say very, y'all say soulful. Very soulful. Very soulful. Make some noise for yourself.
You like that? You like that?
Come on, man. Yeah. Spiritual shit getting the best of me. Feel like I'm living right. Here come the demons, temptation always be testing me. With every verse you get the best of me. And if I make it big, don't be surprised. Always knew this shit was my destiny. You niggas can't even stand next to me. This shit come from the soul. I'm still healing the damage press I got left of me. This crazy life used to be stressing me. I'm trying to break away from out the system of government still oppressing me. Like damn, like do you notice the pain? I tend to cry when I'm alone. Feel like I'm going insane. Check out the matrix. Trying to put more on my brain. Gotta remember who I am when I fall out of my lane. These niggas plotting on my success, trying to extinguish the flame. Just trying to block all of the blessings I had already claimed. Remember when my quest was all about me copping the chain. Now I'm prolific with my quest, just trying to bring about change. Oh man. I appreciate all the love, man. That's real, man. That's just what I love to do, man. Would y'all believe it or not, before I got this opportunity, I was really straddling the fence on if I should quit this shit. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But once I got this opportunity, man, it's like it lit another fire under me, you feel me? And I appreciate all the love that y'all show me, man. I'm real honored and grateful. Now, I know I asked the question earlier, how many people is from Louisiana, right? But how many of y'all from Houston, man? Yeah. I know y'all from Houston, y'all know about what it is, 59? How many of y'all be really up and down 59 getting to it though?
Yes, Lord.
How many of y'all be getting to the bag up
Yes,
and down
Lord.
59? I know I do, so I had to go write a song about it. Spin that shit, man.
Baby, I turned that into something.
Yeah.
Now I'm at the top, bitch.
Let's turn up a little bit, man. We back through the life shit. I feel like we family now, you heard me? Yeah. Look.
Now they have to feel me then.
Yeah, they hushed it full with envy.
Standing
Yeah.
on, now I'm standing
Yeah.
on.
What you gonna do when it's your time? When you been searching for you finally find. After the night when you ain't sleeping, you was all in your grind. And after real planning up, you end up falling behind. But through it all, you keep on pushing with a positive mind. I know the feeling all too well, that means you one of a kind. Unlike the others who just quit once they get in the bind. Gotta know that you gon' make it, but know it ain't guaranteed. Never keep just trying, getting too many ways to succeed. This that motivating shit, I'm feeling this what you need. This that shit to keep you pushing, no matter how much you bleed. I've been running my youth, eliminating the weed. Without observing what we need, some energy on the weed. I've been isolated, turning documents, my LLC, I need it mine later. Make it till the day when we don't get it, just take away them. Giving inspiration, let's stay focused and don't get the paper. Get it to the top, I see you need this later. Hey, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I be in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga climb for it. Yeah, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I be in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga I really spit the truth. That's why when they see me, they salute. Confident like a bag, I just gotta shoot. Little nigga in pursuit. Till the low GPS gon' pull up the roof. And Ojeman watching quarters pull out a flute. She always see my 32. No respect for what she do. And every show she always pull out something new. That's how my nigga blue. I'm texting Mississippi with the crew. I'm testing the check room and walk through. I'm the one, they number 3, I'm number 2. I'm the shit, I know you feel the same too. Who's the one that come for rolling, bust it down, but I see what the plane do. For the value is something I aim to. Get the knowledge, then I sell a game to. Get a trade, learn a world I operate the cranes to. Get that bag and cop the finer things to. It ain't for me, but you can cop and change to. Be a boss who's the one to explain to. Who we control how the world gon' play too, nigga. Yeah, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I been in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga grind for it. Yeah, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I be in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga climb for it. Yeah, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I be in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga climb for it. Yeah, you gotta grind for it. Like overnight, you gotta really put in time for it. I be in these streets all up and down, 59 for it. Started from the bottom, but watch how a nigga. I say I'm trying to get that bag. Yeah. Hey, I say I'm trying to get that bag. Yeah. Yeah. I say I'm trying to get that bag. Yeah. Yeah. I hope you trying to get that bag. Yeah. Come on, man. Hey. Make some noise again, man. You having a good time so far? Make some noise, man. You having a great time, man. That's what I came to do, man. I came to warm y'all up for dear Silas, man. And the next performer also, man. Cause that's what we do, you heard me? What you got next for me, Bingo?
Y'all making this thing.
Y'all mind if I put the show right quick, man? I feel like I'm up here wrapping my ass off, man.
You about to be a dancer a little later.
It's very peaceful. He is very soulful. Yeah. Big dreams to achieve. Representing everyone who ain't believe. Trying to hold me back and keep me down. That's something I don't need. Only want you round if you really want to see me succeed. Expectations you want to see me exceed. Never talk about the city, about the good I never had. I'd rather be known as the one who made a city hope. Never rap about a fool about experience I had while being broke. The billboard, so check the article they wrote. I ain't saying that just to post, but just to motivate the next. Check my resume and tell me I don't deserve the respect. Made it off the internet, never selling out my people for a check. Your rap dead, then I'm here to reference. This song standing on my neck. Now someone is what it protects. See the demons on a journey who was sent to redirect the same focus. I can show you the game if you really need coaching. All these lessons I done learned and all I hear is being broken. Yeah, life lessons I done learned. Different levels every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't nothing given, everything I had to earn. Yeah, life lessons I done learned. Different levels every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't nothing given, everything a breakthrough. You don't like it, fuck too. Don't take it personal, but that's just how I feel. Niggas say that I'm a witness when we start being the real. When I start giving them chills, bitch, till they all feel. Just made a tea to ease my body this morning, was feeling ill. Ain't gone when I open my soul and just let it. My work ethic is the reason I know I'm gonna see a meal. Life lessons I done learned, different levels every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't not giving everything I had to earn. Life lessons I done learned, different levels every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't not giving everything I had to earn. Life lessons I done learned, different levels every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't not giving everything I had to earn. Life lessons I done learned, different devils every time I take a turn. God got me, so that's none of my concern. Grateful for the accolades, ain't nothing giving everything I had to earn, nigga.
Y'all make some noise for that boy Trae-D. Oh my God.
Man.
Oh my God.
I'm having fun up here, man. I'm receiving that energy that y'all giving me. I hope I'm putting the same energy out, man.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Y'all gonna rock with me for another 2 more songs? Oh, yeah, I think they're ready, man. What's up? Yeah. 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 Cause I made a promise, ain't doing no days off, and it plays off. Especially that negative energy up in my body, and hoping it stays off. I'm trying to get it, they see how I want it, see I ain't taking no days off. They trying to beat me, the things way off. I've been in full mode. Niggas think I'm on my life, give me up in the show, I do wanna burn, just know I'm so stuck on the beat. Niggas in front I have to show mic, I put that down on my mind. I wanna do it, and take it, and never be hard, cause I know I won't get it twice. I know it's back on my team, and I see what I did. Maybe this time what I have, you can't. Can't keep me boxed in. Your bro wasting on top 10. I never matter what else, you just see me boxed in. That's when these change when I'm in the building. They send it when I'm dropped in. These things in the pocket, I see they think I'm blocked in. What you gonna do when you try to just come? Hey, you ain't catching the brain. Questioning everything that you made. Down yourself, when you say down on me, or when you just tell me just call it a day. When knowing you got so much more to say. My fans or something, they know that you got half of these niggas on video play. Hey, bounce, 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 rock with me, hey, rock with me, hey, rock with me, hey, whoa, bounce, 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 rock with me, hey, rock with me, hey, rock with me, hey, rock with me, hey, yes, Lord. I tell y'all having fun in the front, man. I appreciate that, man. I love the energy, man. Let me hit my water right quick, man.
Okay. Need it. You said a lot. Did y'all write that down?
Yeah!
You got it? Good.
Hey, she also a comedian too, man. She's a DJ and a comedian, you know?
Something like that.
But yeah, that's my dog, dude, man. Like I said, my name is Trae-D. That's DJ Straw Mango. If y'all want to follow me on Instagram, y'all can follow me at xx._jr20. That's xx._jr20. Everything y'all heard tonight is on streaming platforms. Like I said, I go by the name of Trae-D. I got one more song for y'all. But with this song, I just need y'all help. Whenever y'all hear this beat drop, I just need y'all to say, do your dance, Trae. That's all I need y'all to say, and I'm gonna do my little ditty. I can't dance, so don't laugh at me. You heard me? Fuck that shit, man.
Y'all better say it. I'm watching.
Y'all love me?
I'm watching.
I said, y'all love me? Alright, then.
That shit coming.
Let me pop up. Let me warm up.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Y'all ready? Come on, look.
Yeah.
Hey,
Do your dance, Trae. Do your dance, Trae. Yeah. Do your dance, Trae.
man, to fake it. 24 going, get it, yeah, I've been on my grind. Feeling like Kobe in the, that's why I'm putting my time. Trying to be mentioned with the greats. Hip hop driving if I wanna change the state time of world. We don't wait, check the phone, it's a part of the S8. Double laws at the gates. If you got dreams, then I'll show you can't relate. By the one I think I am, but I leave it up on the bank. But if you look at me, yeah, it's gonna come with a rate unless I fuck with you. I hope y'all feeling me. I hope y'all seeing my potential and realizing what I'm finna be. I've been in my bag, not in the field where all the killers be. Feeling all alone, looking for someone who as real as me. Yeah, I thought I'd find that. Do my own lane, I find it strange that you surprised that. But I really get it, why you niggas play with it? Gotta feel what you gave up, I guess you wish you stay with it. 10 more days with it, just imagine where you would be. Really, if you want to put more focus on everything that you could be. Look at yourself and see the power that you hold. But the world trying to unlearn everything we were taught. It's funny how we conditioned to thinking we need a pole. In a world where we tricked into thinking we got control, but us cold. Let's turn the heat up. If we become humanity, ain't no way they can defeat us. Don't use to turn the beat up. Put another rap on my plate and watch I eat up. While sipping out my teacup, of course I got my feet up. Yeah, that's just how I relax. It can't recall, I need a yo, I hit up my nigga track. And that's a fact, nigga. You finish shot, I'll put you on this. Nigga, only roll the words I know for sure I have my back, nigga. Y'all the ones gonna have my back, nigga. What you gonna do when you be down to your last? Struggling to put gas when you gon' get it off, just sit up on your ass. Ask me how much do I want it, and I say I want it bad. I can't see me selling out just for a bag. Nah, that's just what I can't do. Niggas be hating because they ain't you. But y'all my motivation, so I thank you. Cause your eyes and see the images I paint you real vivid, nigga. Right through my life and the shit I'm living, nigga. Yeah, turning up the propane. Any room that I step in, I light it up, they seeing my flame. And everywhere I go, they knowing my name. Just look at what I became. I did it with these words and being me and staying true. And that's something I always remain. So come and join the campaign. I don't drink liquor, but might catch me with some wine and we popping bottles of champagne. Nigga, winning team over here, and I ain't reached the top yet, but I can feel it a mirror, nigga.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Like I said, I go by the name of Trae-D, that's my friend.
Trae-D.
I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking with me, man.
Yes, bro.
It's very peaceful and it's very soulful. I'm on my journey. Like I said, if you want to follow me, you can follow me at xx._jr20. I'm going to stick around though, so if y'all want to talk to me, man, y'all just holler at me, man. I don't bite, I like to talk anyway. I love y'all, man. I love you, Houston. Thank you.
Y'all get on one more time, y'all play Trae-D. All the way from New Iberia. Y'all ready for the next performer? Y'all, I told y'all about that slow roller coaster shit. Y'all ready for the next performer? Yeah, now we had 6 Flags with it, alright.